Welcome to Consumer Picks. The best B-52 is probably one of the most iconic and powerful bombers ever developed, a true legend in aviation history that has served the United States Air Force for decades, and today we're diving deep into what makes this incredible aircraft so special, from its unique design to its formidable capabilities, and why it continues to be a symbol of American air power and strategic deterrence. Number 5. NUOTIE B-52 Stratofortress Bomber Model 1:200. Immerse yourself in air combat with this highly accurate 1:200 scale die-cast aircraft model. Every detail has been meticulously crafted to faithfully reproduce this iconic bomber. It captures the essence of the original aircraft perfectly. Crafted with high-quality alloy materials, this bomber model is built to last. Its sturdy die-cast construction ensures durability and showcases fine craftsmanship. It's a testament to our dedication to top-notch products. Our electrostatic spraying process guarantees a vibrant and long-lasting coating that won't fade or crack. The detailed paintwork enhances its visual appeal, making it a standout piece. Whether you're a military enthusiast or appreciate detailed models, this is perfect for you. It's a great addition to any collection or a thoughtful gift for enthusiasts. It brings history to life. We ensure high-quality products with strict production standards. If you find any defects within 1 year, we offer warranty service. Contact us with any issues for a prompt solution. What we like. This model boasts an authentic replica design with premium alloy construction. Its vibrant, long-lasting colors make it a standout piece. If you are a collector looking for a durable and detailed display piece, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The B-52 is a fantastic amplifier with a powerful sound and versatile features. Its robust construction ensures durability, and the intuitive interface makes it easy to use. The B-52 delivers crystal-clear audio quality, perfect for both studio recording and live performances. Number 4. B-52s. For decades, the B-52s have been synonymous with unparalleled audio quality. Experience the rich history and enduring sound that has captivated audiences worldwide. These instruments boast a design that is as iconic as their sound. Their timeless appeal continues to inspire musicians and audiophiles alike. Each piece is meticulously crafted to deliver the best possible performance. The attention to detail ensures a superior listening experience. They have produced sounds that have defined entire generations of music. Their influence can be heard across countless genres and artists. Discover the unique sonic signature that sets them apart. Immerse yourself in a legendary sound that continues to resonate today. What we like. This represents the iconic B-52 bomber, a symbol of strategic importance. If you're interested in the history and power of long-range strategic aviation, this is a must-have. What people say. The B-52 has a powerful sound that fills the room. Its durable construction ensures it will last for years. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well with any decor. Number 3. U.S. Air Force B-52 Stratofortress Embroidered Cap. Show your pride with this classic embroidered ball cap. It features the iconic B-52 Stratofortress design, perfect for any aviation enthusiast. Crafted from durable materials, this cap is built to last. The high-quality embroidery ensures the design remains vibrant wash after wash. Designed for comfort, it comes with an adjustable strap for a perfect fit. You can easily customize the size to suit your needs. The rich blue color makes a bold statement. It's a versatile accessory that complements any casual outfit. Whether you're a military history buff or a fan of iconic aircraft, this cap is a must-have. Wear it proudly and show your appreciation. What we like. Featuring an embroidered design and an adjustable fit, this cap is both stylish and comfortable. If you're a fan of military aviation and want to show your support with a wearable item, this is a great option. What people say. The B-52 is a versatile and powerful amplifier, suitable for a wide range of musical applications. Its robust construction ensures durability and reliability, making it a great investment for musicians. The amplifier offers a clear and dynamic sound output, with excellent tonal shaping capabilities. Number 2. B-52 and X-15 Plastic Model Kit. Discover the joy of building with our B-52 and X-15 Plastic Model Kit. Perfect for hobbyists of all skill levels, it offers a rewarding and engaging crafting experience. Each piece is designed for a perfect fit, ensuring a high-quality finish. You'll appreciate the attention to detail that goes into every component. Bring history to life with these iconic aircraft models. Assemble your own B-52 and X-15, and showcase your impressive creation. This kit provides everything you need to get started. It's more than just a model, it's a complete craft supply experience. Looking for a unique gift? This model kit is ideal for aviation buffs and crafting enthusiasts alike. Give the gift of creativity and accomplishment. Once assembled, these models make stunning display pieces. Inspire others with your dedication and the remarkable results of your efforts. What we like. This kit includes both the B-52 and the X-15, offering a unique building experience. If you are a model building enthusiast who enjoys intricate projects and wants to assemble two distinct aircraft, this kit is ideal. What people say. The B-52 is a powerful and versatile amplifier, perfect for both live gigs and studio recording. Its robust construction ensures durability, making it a reliable choice for professional musicians. The intuitive control panel allows for easy sound shaping, giving you precise control over your tone. Number 1. Boeing B-52, a documentary history. Explore the incredible legacy of the Boeing B-52. This documentary delves deep into its storied past and enduring impact. Witness the birth of a legend. Discover the innovative design and ambitious vision that brought this iconic aircraft to life. Follow its journey through decades of critical missions and pivotal moments in history. See how it adapted and persevered. Understand its profound influence on global strategy and aerial warfare. Its presence reshaped the skies and the world. Celebrate the enduring spirit of this remarkable machine. Its story is a testament to engineering prowess and historical significance. Join us for a comprehensive look at the Boeing B-52. This film offers an unparalleled glimpse into its operational life and historical context. What we like. This documentary offers in-depth coverage of its history. If you are a history buff or aviation enthusiast eager to learn the detailed story behind this legendary aircraft, this book is an excellent resource. What people say. The B-52 is a powerful and versatile amplifier, perfect for a wide range of musical applications. Its robust construction ensures durability, making it a reliable choice for gigging musicians. The B-52 offers exceptional sound quality with clear highs and deep lows, providing a rich and full tone. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.